Have you ever noticed how strange time feels when November begins? The air gets quieter, the days seem shorter, and something deep inside whispers that the year is slipping away. People start saying things like, "Time flew by," or "I can't believe it's almost over," but very few stop to ask themselves why they let another year disappear without truly living it. November isn't just another month. It's a mirror reflecting who you've been all year long and who you still have time to become. You can treat these last 2 months as a countdown to another average year, or as your awakening, the moment you finally decide to rise. Because here's the truth. Everything can change in 60 days. Everything. Your habits, your income, your body, your mindset, your direction in life. 60 days is enough to rewrite your story if you decide to stop waiting for January and start acting now. Before you scroll away, take a deep breath. Feel the weight of everything you've left unfinished this year. The goals you postponed, the promises you broke to yourself, the time you wasted scrolling or doubting. Now imagine what would happen if, starting today, you flipped the script. Imagine finishing this year proud, clear, powerful, not drained or regretful. This is your reset button. And it starts right here, right now, in November. Most people lose years of their life, not because of tragedy or failure, but because of distraction. They keep saying, "I'll start when I feel ready. I'll do it next year. I'll fix it soon." But soon becomes someday, and someday becomes never. If you've been procrastinating, if you've been stuck in the same patterns, the first thing you must understand is this: your time is your currency. Every second you waste on hesitation is a second stolen from your future self. Stop treating your days like they're infinite. They're not. You have about 60 days left this year, and every single one is a brick. You can use those bricks to build excuses or to build a foundation for your dream life. Start by tracking your hours, not your goals, your hours. Because what you measure, you can improve. Look at how much time you've given to growth versus distraction, how much time you've spent thinking instead of doing. The truth might sting, but it will also set you free. If you want to transform your life before this year ends, you must win your mornings. Every single morning is a door. You can either walk through it consciously or let it close on autopilot. Don't wake up to chaos. Wake up to clarity. Before you touch your phone, write down 3 things. 1 thing you're grateful for, 1 thing you're proud of, and 1 thing you will not postpone today. Then, move your body. It doesn't matter if it's a run, push-ups, yoga, or a cold shower. Move. Because motion creates emotion, and emotion creates momentum. When you master the first hour of your day, the rest of your life starts to align. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need consistent energy. Because when you're tired, you dream less. And when you're disciplined, you dream bigger. Let's talk about money. Because no matter how spiritual or grounded you are, the truth is, money is freedom, and freedom is peace. And in these last 2 months, you can either repeat the same habits that kept you stuck, or finally learn the skills that make you unstoppable. Here's a mindset shift. Money doesn't come from time. It comes from value. You don't get paid for the hours you spend. You get paid for the value you bring. If you want to earn more before this year ends, stop trading time and start trading skill. Ask yourself what problem you can solve right now. What skill you can offer that people will pay for. What you can learn in the next 60 days that will multiply your opportunities in the next year. Maybe it's freelancing, maybe digital products, maybe sales or content creation. But the key is to start small and stay consistent. Because small progress every day compounds faster than you think. If you learn a new skill for 1 hour each day, for the next 60 days, you'll have invested 60 focused hours into your future self. While most people waste that time scrolling through social media, the winners of next year are already training now. Success doesn't come from massive leaps. It comes from tiny shifts repeated consistently. In November, pick just 3 habits that will move your life forward, not 30, just 3. Wake up at the same hour every day, read 10 pages of a powerful book, and spend 1 hour daily building your side income or personal brand. Forget perfection. Focus on rhythm. The brain loves patterns, and when you give it repetition, it gives you results. Most people fail because they overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do in 2 months. You can change everything in 60 days if you stop chasing motivation and start building systems. Systems don't care about your feelings. They work even when you don't want to. And that's what makes them magical. When the leaves fall and the year begins to fade, nature itself teaches you something. Endings are not death. They are preparation for new beginnings. November is not the end. It's a transition, a sacred pause between what was and what can still be. Don't waste it mourning the months you lost. Use it to build the version of you that will conquer the year ahead. Take every mistake, every failure, every delay, and convert it into momentum. Let November become your month of radical clarity, where you stop running from your potential and finally face it. Because the truth is, you already know what to do. You just haven't been consistent enough to become who you're meant to be. Maybe that's why you're here, because something inside you knows this is your moment. This isn't motivation. It's a decision. You can't control how fast the year went, but you can control how it ends. If you're still watching this, it means something inside you refuses to give up, and that's where transformation begins, in that quiet decision no one else sees. November isn't testing your strength. It's testing your commitment. Anyone can dream of change when a new year starts, but the real warriors are the ones who decide to reinvent themselves when the year is almost over. While others slow down, you accelerate. While others make excuses, you execute. While others say, "I'll start in January," you whisper, "I start now." You don't need to rebuild your entire life overnight. You just need to master micro-discipline, the tiny acts of self-control that create massive transformation over time. Wake up when you said you would. Finish what you start. Keep promises to yourself, even when no one's watching. Every small act of discipline becomes a brick in your self-trust. And once you trust yourself, you become unstoppable. Most people fail not because they lack intelligence or talent, but because they stop believing in their own consistency. They say, "I'll try," but deep down they know they won't follow through. So in these final 2 months, make one commitment. Honor your word. When you tell yourself you'll read, read. When you say you'll work out, move. When you promise to save money, do it. Your future depends on how much you can trust your present self. You don't waste time because you're lazy. You waste time because you're avoiding something: fear, discomfort, failure. Instead of trying to control your schedule, master your emotional state. When you feel resistance, ask yourself, what am I avoiding right now? That simple question can save you hours, days, even years. Emotions dictate focus, and focus dictates destiny. If you can stay calm and intentional in November, you can dominate the entire next year. Take out a notebook and write 3 categories: mind, body, and wealth. Under each one, set one meaningful goal before the year ends. Then create 3 non-negotiable daily actions. Small, simple, but consistent. You can do more, but never less. Every new year, millions set goals they abandoned before February because they never changed their identity. If you want the next year to be different, you must finish this one as a different person. Stop identifying as someone who struggles and start speaking power. I am disciplined. I am consistent. I finish what I start. Say it every morning until it feels true. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your brain rewards you. That's how momentum grows. Not from luck, but from repetition. Use these last 60 days to stack small wins. Stack them until confidence becomes your default. Money flows to clarity and confidence. Spend 1 hour daily learning something valuable. a skill that solves real problems. The internet turned knowledge into currency and ignorance into debt. Learn, create, sell, share. And don't wait to feel ready. Momentum comes from motion. Your biggest resource isn't time or money. It's energy. Protect it fiercely. Sleep well, move often, and surround yourself with energy that builds you up. You can't create abundance from exhaustion, so recharge daily through gratitude, silence, or movement. These are not luxuries, they are survival tools for your soul. Every night, before sleeping, reflect for a moment. What did I do well? What can I improve? And what am I grateful for right now? This simple ritual will train your brain to focus on progress instead of guilt. Guilt keeps you trapped in the past. Gratitude pulls you forward. Focus on progress, and you'll enter the next year with unstoppable momentum. Most people wait for January to start, but life doesn't reward those who wait. It rewards those who move. November is your secret advantage the month, to prepare while everyone else pauses. So use it. Wake up earlier, work smarter, build your idea, strengthen your mind, repair what needs healing, and finish what you began. When January comes, don't start, continue. Real success doesn't begin on New Year's Day. It begins the moment you stop postponing your greatness. When you look back on this year, you'll see two versions of yourself. One who repeated old habits, and one who decided to rise. You choose which one survives. The clock is ticking, the year is ending, but your story is just beginning. Make these last 2 months count. Transform your habits, master your time, rebuild your confidence, and finish stronger than you ever imagined. Stand tall, breathe deep, and whisper to yourself one truth that changes everything. This year will not end the same way it began, because you are no longer the same person you were before.